What's up guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and again I'm back with Alien Worlds TLM price prediction. On a daily basis I get 10 to 15 requests for the TLM, although I make videos on TLM approximately every day. Maybe one day of skipping, you can find out the videos on my YouTube section, due to the reason because my main subscribers are from the TLM, so yeah, I have to make video for them on the TLM. So again I'm back, and we have 22% down in volume. Price is also down, and if I go here on the TLM chart, which I have already drawn a few days ago, and you can see the price is still under this rectangular bar, and I draw this rectangular bar back in 20 May 2021, so you can say July, June, July, August. So it's been 3 months, and still this rectangle, the area around this rectangle is very important. You can see the price is moving, and it is trying to find a new support around the levels here, and you can see how perfectly it bounced off the area which I mentioned few days ago, 0.2424. okay, so still we are above the level of 0.25. 0.25 is an important level of support. The reason you can see yourself, 1, 2, 3 rejections already, and other candles short of this area, this region, but they also tried to breach the area but they got rejected. So it's making a good support at here, 0.2541. On the upside, you can see from many days it's moving in a range. You can see ranging market, so you have to keep that in your mind. You can see here 1, okay, then move 2, then again, okay. You see the range, you see how it is following the pattern. 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave. This is the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So now we might going to expect the price to hit the 0.30 spot, if and only if, again guys, if and only if the BTC remains above 45,000. In case the BTC falls down, then you're not going to expect the price to stay above here. We might going to see if this range falls, okay, if anything goes below this area, then we would be in the downtrend again. So you have to pray that BTC should remain above 45,000. If it remains above 45,000, then we're gonna find another move on the upside. So it's a good scalping zone. Whenever a certain coin is in the scalping or is in the ranging zone or ranging market like this one, you have a good opportunity to scalp. Okay, scalping basically it is best in the ranging zone. Okay, so this is the current scenario, guys. Okay, so you have to wait for this candle close, okay, and wait for the BTC price as well. If it stays above 45,000, okay, then we would be good to go. Otherwise price might fall below 0.24. So that is the short analysis on the TLM, guys, and you can pause the video and mark these areas according to your buying price. So that's it. If you have any other questions, please ask them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.